Yeah, Jim, I'm back again.
No, you are certainly back. Thank you so much. That was really brilliant. I mean,
Yeah,
I didn't realize we were going to be doing something with AK, but that was fabulous.
Yeah, well, I nearly bought an AK years and years and years ago, and they were over in Peterborough, and I went out for a test drive.
I love that Jaguar. That is amazing.
Yeah, I was just about to buy one, and then Mrs. decided she wanted a conservatory instead. so that was that out the window. But hey, I've got an MK, so I'm happy with that.
Yeah.
We'll go for another Wanderer if you like. I'm not going far. I'll just get it to the next stand over. And this one's got a ridiculous engine in it. So we'll go for a wander over. This is XCS Designs.
Oh, I love XCS. Tell us about that. I've been waiting for this.
This is the XCS Designs Rush, the all-new Rush MC. If you look at the bonnet, they've actually lengthened the front.
Oh, they have,
slightly. Okay. Yeah, it is quite noticeable actually with the side profile.
That's brilliant, isn't it?
It's a lovely colour, that as well.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can find somebody to talk to. We're back. We're live streaming. We're live streaming now to Jim Gould in the States. I've told him about
Canada, mate. Canada.
In Canada, yeah. So
from 7 Spot.
Yeah, I've told Jim as well about your mad car with that mad engine in, so I don't really want to take it.
Greetings from Vancouver in Canada. Just wanted to say thank you so much for joining us. You're speaking through the Northwest Kit Car Owners Group, and this is Jim Gould from 7 Spot. And I just wanted to say thank you so much for joining us. I'm just a big lover of XCS, and I've been waiting to see this little baby here. And I was wondering if you could tell us about the engine that you're running there, the K24, and with the bit of boost that you're doing. And I'm really interested to find about how you're putting the power to the differential. Have you done some upgrades on the transmission as well?
All right, well, I'll talk you through it, Jim. Basically, it's Honda K24.
Yeah.
This is just a mock-up engine at the minute, but we teamed up with 4-piston racing in the States.
Yes. Lovely.
So they're building us a 1,000 horsepower endurance engine.
Oh my.
And then we coupled that to a 256 Magnum gearbox.
Wow.
We made an adapter plate, so they're available from our shop soon. And then we're running a SADF rear diff. I think we're going to try the gearbox. We know they're good for 750 horsepower because we put V8s for them all the time.
Yeah.
But if it becomes a wiggly, then we'll just stick a SADF.
Absolutely fabulous. I mean, with that suspension setup you have, it's just truly a monster.
Yeah, we're all familiar with the camber compensation in so.
Yeah.
But this has got it on the rear as well. We've done it front and back this time.
Oh, lovely. And it has a Dion rear suspension as well?
No, it's a camber comp rear suspension.
Oh, okay.
So it's essentially the same as the front.
All right.
But on the rear.
Okay, fabulous. Wow. Well, thank you so much. This has just you've made my day.
Yeah. All right, Jim. Take care.
Right. Cheers. Thanks for showing. Bye. All right. Bye now. Hey, John. That was awesome. What a beast. What a monster that is. That truly. I'm sitting here and I'm quivering because I'm excited, but I'm terrified.
1,000 horsepower. I know. Anyway,